Savage, you are second to none.
Second to?
None.
Second to none means?
This you are second to none means आप किसी से कम नहीं हो.
Okay.
You are second to none means you are not less than anyone. Okay.
Okay.
So second to none, it is a structure, advanced spoken English structure. That means किसी से कम नहीं. Okay.
Okay.
Next structure, head to toe. Head to toe या top to toe. ऊपर से नीचे तक. Head to toe. So these are advanced spoken English structure. Let me give you example. He was wearing black clothes head to toe. He was wearing black clothes head to toe. वह ऊपर से नीचे तक ब्लैक कपड़े पहने था. My body is getting pain head to toe. My body is getting pain head to toe. He was drenched head to toe. Do you know the meaning of drenched? Drench.
Drench. What is the spelling?
DRENCH.
No, I don't know.
And then you have to add ed also. Drenched. He was drenched head to toe.
No, I don't know.
You search it right now.
But you can tell me the meaning here also.
Did you get?
पूरी तरह भिगा देना.
Okay. Drench means होता है भीगना. Okay. Means by water. So he was drenched head to toe. मतलब वो ऊपर से नीचे तक भीगा हुआ था. He was drenched head to toe. वो ऊपर से नीचे तक भीगा हुआ था. Okay.
Okay.
And suppose that, hey, Shevak, do you understand Hindi?
Yeah, I understand Hindi as well as I can speak.
Oh, super. उसे सब कुछ बताया तब जाकर उसने यकीन किया. How will you speak it in English? उसे सब कुछ बताया.
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, of course. उसे सब कुछ बताया मतलब मैंने उसे सब कुछ बताया तब जाकर उसने यकीन किया.
I explained it to him everything. After that he agreed to me.
Okay, after that you used a structure after that, but at this place we can use another structure also, that is then at the last. Then at the last means होता है तब जाकर या तब कहीं. Okay, so let me use I told him everything. I told him everything. Then at the last he believed.
Okay, I got it.
Next example, he will eat food first. Then at the last he will come. He will eat food first. Then at the last he will come. Let me give you next structure. Okay. First I will give you example. Means in Hindi language. लगता है मेरी कार को नजर लग गई. How will you make it?
नजर लगने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know.
Okay. Catch the evil eye. Catch the evil eye.
Okay. maybe my car got an evil eye.
लगता है, इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Might be.
नो, यू कैन से आई थिंक. ओके, लगता है, आई थिंक.
I think.
माई कार हैज कॉट द एविल आई. लगता है मेरी कार को नजर लग गई. ओके.
Yeah.
She is very beautiful. She often catch the evil eye. She is very beautiful. She often catch the evil eye. मेरे बैग पर नजर मत लगाओ. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. मेरे बैग पे नजर मत लगाओ. How will you speak?
Don't catch evil eye to my bag.
No. Cast the evil eye. Don't cast the evil eye on my bag. Means लगने के लिए catch the evil eye, नजर लगाने के लिए cast the evil eye.